What? Hi, everyone.
With a
Go. Yeah. Hi, everybody. It's Marina Davis Music here. This is Walter. You can't see him.
Hi.
Hi. So we're just going to do this video because on Saturday the 25th of August, I'll be down in... Who's that? Hi, thanks for joining in. We're going to be in Sydney, out there in Fairfield for the Scala Inc. official launch. Hi there, thanks for joining. So we're going to sing these beautiful Samoan songs, just little snippets, just to give you guys an idea of what I'll be singing on the night. And if you guys are lucky, I'll be breakdancing as well. And, hey Walter, because Walter knows I can breakdance. All right? I can't see from here, but hello. Hi, Camila. Is it okay? Cool. Okay. All right, so this one's called Bella Air. This one gets requested all the time. Everybody asks for it all the time and stuff like that, but I never sing it because, I don't know, why don't we ever sing it?
Maybe.
This one's called Bella Air. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Me too.
I might stand up if, you know, just in case the diaphragm gets... So this is to everybody who's going to come to the Scala Inc. Launch next Saturday, 25th of August. Get your tickets from Scala Inc. on Facebook. You guys are going to love it. It's going to be a fun night, of course, because I'll be there. Duh. But here goes, okay? Ready? I think I'm going to stand, honestly. Is that all right? Olea e tu au tinga lo fatu leilo se tala e faya tu malo si mai timu mawanga lelangi na lo utu matani wa omi si o let's all know I love my boy said sulu fama le tua mama na bele toy for in my Sound to one
Maletao Safia Tau Tuanama Fau Tuanga Maia Emo Omi Alo Toe Foi Mai Maletao Safia Ema omi alo toi foi mai maletao Safia Si fe tango yelulu
Isn't Walter average? He's kind of average, eh? No, he's awesome. Thanks, Walter. I love my bro. Okay, so those are some of the Samoan songs that we're going to be singing on the night. So please, 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 please. PJ, I'm in Clinton. Recording, yes. All right, so we're going to sing a couple more songs. Is that okay? Share this out, guys. I want as many people to see what they're going to get when they actually come on the night for the Scala launch. So please, please, please share it out, okay?
Talofa.
Everybody's asleep. Thanks for letting us wake you up.
Hey, Val. So what king
Hi. We're both doing a live at the same time, so go check out Walter's page, Walter Laulu. All right, we ready? This one's called The Power of Love by Celine Dion.
She had
not Celine.
concert last week.
Yeah, this is dedicated to all the people who went to Celine Dion. Waste your money, you could have just listened to me. No, just joking.
She's the best. She's still the best.
I'm the best, Walter. Don't say she's the best. Celine's the best. Hi, Mia. Thank you. Share it out, guys.
The whispers in the morning of lovers sleeping tight are rolling round like thunder now. As I look in your eyes, I hold on to your body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake, 'cause I'm your lady and you are my man. Whenever you
Share this out, guys.
are rolling by like thunder now. As I look in your eyes, I hold on to your body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake, 'cause I'm your lady, and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I do all that I can. We're headed for something, somewhere I've never been. Sometimes I get frightened, but I'm ready to learn the power of love, the power of love. Ooh, the power of love.
How was that, guys? Did you guys enjoy that? Did you guys enjoy that? Did you guys enjoy that? Share this out, guys. All right, so if you haven't got your tickets yet in Sydney, I'm going to be in Fairfield next weekend, Saturday the 25th of August at the Ambassador Lounge for the Scala Inc. Launch. So these are the kind of songs I'm going to be singing. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be awesome. Who's there? Hi, everybody on Walters Live. Okay, so we're going to sing another song. What's the song?
The one.
Taolanga Solomona?
Mm.
Taolanga Solomona? Just one verse and chorus. Le Taolanga. Is that too low? It's a bit hot in here, innit? Share this out, guys, so that, especially if you live in Sydney, tag some friends that live in Sydney that want to hear some good music. Next Saturday out in Sydney. My hair's just not cooperating, is it? Yeah.
It's alright.
Yeah. I know. Yeah. I think that's the one. He's a one-man band. lover. Awesome. Thank you, guys. Share this out. And if you're in Sydney, come and see me at the Scala Inc. launch on Saturday the 25th of August in Sydney, in Fairfield. It's going to be awesome, y'all. It's going to be a party. Y'all going to love it. I promise. Saturday, 25th of August. Go onto the Scala page, SCCALA, SCCALA on Facebook, okay? We're going to do one more. We're going to do the first song again, Outbro, and then that's it. La valinga nepo on.
This
Hey,
way.
bro. Share this out, guys. Hope you're enjoying it, everybody. Eko ilo live.
That's all right.
You're right? Okay.
Olea e tu au tinga long fatu leilo se tala e fayatu malosi mai timu mawanga lelani na olo utu batangi wa omi si
Do you want to do Celine Dion again or no?
Well, I think that's it.
Lawanga? Okay. All right, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope you've enjoyed yourself. Again. We hope you guys have enjoyed yourselves, and please share this out, and especially if you've got some friends in Sydney or some family in Sydney, make sure that you guys tag them in it so they can get their tickets to come and see me live at the Scala Inc. launch next Saturday, Saturday the 25th of August in Sydney and Fairfield. There's more information on my page. Just scroll down on the post and you'll see all the information there on a poster. Thanks guys for joining us. God bless. Thanks very much.